Bangladesh interim government on the Saturday banned the Awami League, the political party of the former Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina, pending the outcome of a trial over its crackdown on the mass protests that prompted her ouster last year. Also, according to the United Nations, up to 1,400 protesters died in July 2024 when Hasina's government launched a brutal campaign to silence the opposition. Also, Hasina remains in self-imposed exile in India and has defied an arrest warrant from Dhaka over the charges of the crime against humanity. It has been decided to ban the activities, including the cyberspace, of the Awami League under the Anti-Terrorism Act until the trial of the Awami League and its leader end. Also, Asif Nazrul, a government advisor on the law and justice, told the reporters that the Bangladesh interim leader, that is Nobel Peace Prize winner Mohammad Yunus, has led an interim government since Hasina was overthrown. Nazrul said that the decision was taken to ensure the country's sovereignty and security, and the security of the protesters, along with the safeguarding the plaintiffs and the witnesses of the tribunal. Also, Yunus administration also simultaneously approved an amendment to the country's International Crimes Tribunal Act, allowing authorities to prosecute political parties and their affiliated bodies. The Awami League rejected the administration's move, calling it illegitimate. The ban comes after a day thousands of people rallied outside the Yunus residence demanding a ban on Hasina's party. On Thursday, the former Awami League leader, that is Abdul Hamid, also under investigation, successfully left the country. At least 3 police officers responsible for overseeing the airport arrival and departures have been dismissed for the negligence in the wake of the Hamid's departure, the officials have claimed.